Hi Radhika, how are you? Hi Janvi, I'm good. How about you? I'm also good. Did you know we have a test on pronouns in class today? Oh no, I completely forgot and I didn't prepare for the test yesterday. Don't worry Radhika, let's quickly revise in class. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Pronouns are used to prevent noun repetition. Got it, Janvi? I'll now give you a few sentences and you have to identify the pronoun. Sure, Janvi. Mr. Dipesh is my neighbor. He worked in the army. In the second sentence, he is the pronoun, replacing Mr. Dipesh. Exactly, you're right. But when do we use pronouns? Here's a table for better understanding. Pronoun used when we describe or talk about ourselves. Pronouns I, me, mine, we, us, ours. Example, I am Rahat, look at me. This book is mine. We are friends, look at us, this is our bag. Pronoun used when we currently converse with someone. Pronouns you, yours. Example, you are my friend. This car is yours. Pronoun used when we talk about people or things in the third person. Pronouns he, him, his, she, her, hers, they, them, theirs, it. Example, he is Gulshan, look at him. This is his bag. She is Jaya, look at her. This dress is hers. They are my friends, look at them. This class is theirs. It is my pet Victor. Pronouns are used to replace nouns to make sentences less repetitive and smoother. For example, instead of saying Janvi went to Janvi's house, we say Janvi went to her house, using the pronoun her instead of repeating Janvi. Oh, I see. That makes sense. Great! Let's do some more practice before the test starts.
Hello students, are you ready for the test?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We are ready.
We are ready.